Greetings of peace, my dear friends. I hope you're doing fine today. I'm going to share with you question number 21, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: Faith, what is it? Answer: faith is knowledge and trust. It has 7 characteristics. First, faith is a sure gift of God which we receive when we fervently ask for it. Second, faith is the supernatural power that is absolutely necessary if we are to attain salvation. Third, faith requires the free will and clear understanding of a person when he accepts the divine invitation. Fourth, faith is absolutely certain because Jesus guarantees it. Fifth, faith is incomplete unless it leads to active love. Sixth, faith grows when we listen more and more carefully to God's Word and enter a lively exchange with Him in prayer. Seventh, faith gives us even now a foretaste of the joy of heaven. Many people say that to believe is not enough for them. They want to know. The word believe, however, has 2 completely different meanings. If a parachutist asks the clerk at the airport, "Is the parachute packed safely?" and the other man answers casually, "I believe so," then that will not be enough for him. He would like to know it for sure. But if he asks a friend to pack the parachute, then the friend will answer the same question by saying, "Yes, I did it personally. You can trust me." And to that, the parachutist will reply, "Yes, I believe you." This belief, is much more than knowing. It means assurance. And that is the kind of belief that prompted Abraham to travel to the promised land. That is the faith that caused the martyrs to stand fast till death. That is the faith that still today upholds Christians in persecution. A faith that encompasses the whole person. On this note, a German theologian, Karl Rahner, said, "Faith means putting up with God's incomprehensibility for a lifetime." And we can read in the letter to the Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1, it says, "Faith is the realization of what is hoped for and evidence of things not seen." Thus, the doctor of the church, leading theologian of the Middle Ages, Saint Anselm of Canterbury, said, "Faith seeks understanding." Saint Thomas Aquinas also said, "I would not believe if I did not realize that it is reasonable to believe." Lastly, a convert later became cardinal of that Catholic Church, and he is also a philosopher and theologian. Blessed John Henry Newman said, "Faith by its very nature is the acceptance of a truth that our reason cannot attain, simply and unconditionally on the basis of testimony." God bless you.